Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever needed to update your email address in Notion, maybe you switched providers or you want all your work accounts organized in one inbox, this step-by-step tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to change your Notion email smoothly and securely, without risking your data or losing access to your workspace. First things first, let's get to your account settings. In Notion, everything you do starts with the sidebar on the left. It's kind of like your dashboard for managing your workspace. Look for the little gear icon. It's usually tucked down there near the bottom, standing for Settings and Members. Give it a click. This is where Notion keeps all its controls for personalization, security, and workspace members. If you're not seeing the gear right away, don't worry. Sometimes you just need to make sure you're in the main workspace view, not inside a specific page. Once you're inside Settings and Members, you'll notice several categories. Here, you'll want to select My Account. This is the section that holds all your personal user details for Notion, including your name, photo, and of course, your email address. Think of it as your digital passport for Notion. It's where you manage all the personal info that's directly tied to your access. Now, for the main event, the email change. Scroll down until you find the Account Security section. This area is super important because it handles all the credentials that keep your account safe. You'll see your current email, and right next to it a button or link that says Change Email. Click that to start the process. This isn't just for updating your address. By doing it here, you're making sure only you, the verified user, can make such a crucial change. And speaking of security, Notion will now ask you to verify your identity, just to confirm it's actually you and not someone trying to sneak in. You'll need to enter your Notion password here. This is an important step, much like showing your ID before you make changes at the bank. If you've forgotten your password, take a breath. You can always reset it using Notion's recovery options. Once you're verified, you'll see a field pop up where you can enter your new email address. Go ahead and type it in carefully. I always suggest double-checking for typos, especially because a small mistake could send the verification code into digital limbo. After you're sure the new email is correct, click on Send Verification Code. Notion will now shoot a one-time code straight to your new inbox. Now, switch over to your email account. This can take a few moments, so don't stress if the code doesn't arrive instantly. Sometimes emails lag or land in your spam folder. When you spot Notion's email, open it up and copy the verification code. Head back to Notion and paste the code into the prompt. Finally, you'll see the Change Email button. Give it one last click and your Notion account will now be tied to your new email address. Easy as that. Remember, this update helps keep your work accessible and secure. Changing your email is like giving your account a new home address, so everything important finds you reliably. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email address in Notion. If you found this walkthrough useful, please give the video a thumbs up. Got questions or ran into any bumps? Drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more practical tech tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to Computer Skills and GK for all the latest guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.